Hi everyone, this is Dorian Wesley with TeacherStudyHall.com, here to help you pass your BTLPT or LOTE exams. I want to prove today that accents are not important when studying for these exams. So let's take a look at the rubric. This is the same for the BTLPT or the LOTE. The writing section rubric will be the same, so I have included it here, and let's take a look. So you have three categories when you're taking the test that you'll be scored in for the writing. You have task completion, topic development, and the third one is writing skills. Accents does not show up in task completion or topic development. The only place that you see accents is in the very third category in one of the bullet points right there. So whether or not you include accent marks is one part of this bullet point. And this bullet point is one of 5 in the writing skills category. And that one category is at a 3. So you see what a small part the accent marks actually makes up of the total score? That's why I really recommend that any time that you would spend studying accent marks would be better spent studying one of the other bullet points on this rubric. If you need help with how to do that or need suggestions on what to study or how to practice so you can improve in each of these areas, please reach out to me. Message me on Facebook, send me an email at dorian@teacherstudyhall.com, or visit my website and take one of my workshops or study sessions, and I'll show you all of these things, how to squeeze the most points you can out of your test. Well, that's it for now. Happy studying, and I'll see you in the next video.